I want to ask you guys, do you see more in your practice? Because again, we're on the insurance side, so we hear more things about it, but we don't actually see a lot of action. Do you see a lot of people that are at 65 and up, or even 55 and up, that do see a lot of therapists or things like that? Or do you see more, it's just kind of like how we were talking before the video started, more just kind of here's a script, here you go? What do you guys think about kind of both of those things?
It typically starts with the PCP, right? The primary care, to kind of do the screenings, see it, and then they'll be the ones that usually recommend seeking more treatment or starting a medication. But in my practice, I will always say a medication is not always the answer. Maybe you need to go to therapy or consider alternative treatments. I don't know if you had any thoughts on that, but
yeah,
that's kind of how I feel.
I think sometimes because it starts at the PCP, medication is sometimes the first line of treatment. At the same time, therapy is a good place to start, because during that first appointment, the therapist can kind of get your whole picture and find out if they think medications would be helpful, they can recommend that. But starting with therapy, no side effects that you might get from medications, which sometimes are necessary. At the same time, they can, you might want to talk a little bit about side effects in older adults, can be challenging.
You start adding medications to already chronic illnesses and other large medication regimens, there's potential for all kinds of side effects. Now, medications can be warranted and they can absolutely help, but you have to make sure you're following the dosing and going slow with increases and monitoring correctly. And again, a pill doesn't fix everything. It's not going to fix the fact that maybe you're isolated or you're lonely, right? But also getting into therapy and getting into mental health services, they can then also connect you with community supports that you might need. And I think that's really, really important as well. Again, it has to be a multi-layer approach.
And I think sometimes older adults with Medicare coverage don't realize that therapy is part of their benefit package. And therapy, it's not just talking about your problems. I think sometimes people think, I'm just gonna talk about my problems, and my problems are there and they're not going away. That's not what therapy is. It's if that's what it is, you probably need a new therapist.
You're not doing the right work.
Right.